Here we have verse 13 of the 17th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. Jesus is descending the Mount of Transfiguration. He's been discussing with his disciples the fact that Elijah would indeed come first. And of course they were thinking of a literal Elijah. And Jesus clarifies that, pointing out that they actually should be thinking about John the Baptist. And that's exactly what they figure out when he makes that comment that they did to this man, John, whatever they wanted, and they would do the same thing to the Son of Man. And from that we have the inference drawn now from the disciples. So we have tota, this is the indeclinable adverb then, sunekon, third person plural, aorist active indicative, of suni emi. The sun there means together. The rest of the verb is the idea of putting something, putting it together would be the colloquial way we'd say it. And that's the idea, kind of an intuitive insight all of a sudden hits them. So they put it together. They understood. They got it. Who, the mathetai, the disciples, the nominative plural. So the disciples then put it together. Hoti, conjunction means that. Peri, with the genitive means concerning Ionu, concerning John to Baptistou, the Baptist. Concerning John the Baptizer, apen, third person singular aorist active indicative, he said or spoke, autois, to them, dative, plural, masculine. So the point here that Matthew makes is simply that as Jesus has described the character of the Elijah that is referred to by Malachi, they realize it's not the literal Elijah, who was caught up into heaven in a chariot in the Old Testament description, but rather the one who is figuratively coming, the one who's coming in the spirit and power of Elijah. And that is, of course, none other than John the Baptist, who they have now been able to figure out.